Team effectiveness focuses on team excellence or desired outcomes of teamwork. Let's take a look. Two critical functions of team effectiveness are performance, task accomplishment, and development, team maintenance. Development refers to the cohesiveness of a team and the ability of team members to satisfy their own needs while working effectively with other team members. It's helpful if team leaders understand the conditions that contribute to or enable team excellence. A compelling purpose energizes team members, orients them towards their collective objective, and fully engages their talents. Teams need to find the best structure for accomplishing their goals. Structural features that lead to effective teamwork include task design, team composition, and core norms of conduct. Teams should be comprised of the right number and mix of members to accomplish all the tasks of the team. In addition, members need sufficient information, education, and training to become or remain competent team members. A common mistake is to call a work group a team, but treat it as a collection of individuals. The ability of a team to collaborate or work well together is essential to team effectiveness. Clear norms of conduct, how we should behave, are important for team functioning. A supportive organizational context includes material resources, rewards for excellent performance, an educational system to develop necessary team skills, and an information system to provide data needed to accomplish the task. Effective team leadership has been found consistently to relate to team effectiveness. Effective team members are committed to the team's goals and give members autonomy to unleash their talents when possible. The leadership of a team can use these 8 characteristics of team excellence to assess the health of the team and to take appropriate action to address any weaknesses.